How to say confusing in beautiful C2 level English. 1. Bewildering.
Bewildering?
After its bewildering reappearance.
Bewildering litany of catastrophes.
2. Perplexing.
How perplexing for you.
Very perplexing for you.
Very perplexing situation.
3. Baffling.
It's baffling. Seems baffling.
No, it's baffling.
4. Puzzling.
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 It's puzzling.
And finally, we have indecipherable.
The data on each ring is indecipherable on its own.
It's indecipherable.
I know he has big fingers, but these texts are simply indecipherable.
Want to advance your English to C1 level and speak like a native? Learn new words and phrases to confuse or baffle everyone around you. Try Lola Speak app. Here, you can learn new words and phrases every day. Have your own dictionary with your own words. Practice speaking in AI chats or in immersive video stories where you are the main character. You just have to try and you'll speak confidently in no time. 1 child, 2 children, 1 woman, 2 women, 1 man, 2 men, 1 person, 2 people, 1 mouse, 2 mice, 1 tooth, 2 teeth, 1 fish, 2 fish, 1 cactus, 2 cacti, 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 1 goose, 2 geese, 1 deer, 2 deer, 1 ox, 2 oxen, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 leaf, 2 leaves. She is sweeping. She is mopping. She is dusting. He is vacuuming. He is wiping. She is doing the laundry. She is ironing. She is doing the dishes.
This tomato is rotten.
The tomato is bad.
This potato is mushy.
Potato is bad.
This milk is sour.
The milk is bad.
This apple is bruised.
The apple is bad.
This cheese is moldy.
The cheese is bad.
This fish is smelly.
Yeah, it's bad.
This banana is overripe.
The banana is very bad.
Follow for more.
Practice English with me. I say black and you say white. Good. Now let's talk food. What's your favorite breakfast? Oh, I like pancakes too. Do you add fruit? I prefer toast with jam. Simple and quick. Yes, always black coffee. And you? What's your favorite lunch? Me too. What do you put in your sandwich? Do you enjoy cooking? What kind of pasta? That sounds delicious. What's the food you don't like? Oh, I understand. Fish can be strong. What about fruits? Any favorites? Want to practice more dialects like this? Grab the Lola Speak app. It's super chill and feels just like real life, but all the videos are pre-recorded, so no awkward pressure. You can binge different episodes, talk to the AI, or just pick up cool new words and phrases. Oh, and it even checks your pronunciation and shows you how to sound better. Lola Speak app, download now. First week is in us.